In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Adobe Express. By the end, you'll feel confident creating polished visuals quickly, whether you're making a social post, a video, or a thumbnail. Start by opening Adobe Express in your web browser or launching the desktop app. Give it a moment to load the home dashboard. This is your creative hub, where your recent projects and quick actions appear. Once you're ready, look for the Create New button. It's typically prominent on the home screen. Click it to start a fresh project with a blank canvas or a template. Next, choose the type of content you want to make. You'll see options like post, video, thumbnail, or story. Picking the right type automatically sets the ideal size for the platform you have in mind, which saves you from awkward cropping later. If you're unsure, hover over an option to see dimensions. For example, a square post works well for many feeds, while a story is vertical. Select the format that best fits where you plan to share. Now add your text, photos, or clips. You can type directly onto the canvas, drag in images from your computer, or browse the built-in media libraries for royalty-free photos and video snippets. For text, click to add a headline or a subheading, then adjust size and placement by dragging the handles. If you're working with video, drop your clips on the timeline and trim them so your message is clear and tight. Keep your content focused on one main idea for best results. From here, customize colors, fonts, and templates to match your style. Explore the template gallery to jumpstart your design. You can swap images and rewrite text without losing the layout. Choose colors that complement your visuals and maintain good contrast for readability. Stick to one or two fonts to create hierarchy, perhaps a bold title paired with a clean body font. Use alignment guides to keep everything tidy, and remember that ample spacing often makes designs look more professional. If you have brand colors, apply them to keep consistency across your projects. When you're happy with the result, click Download or Share. Download lets you choose formats like PNG or JPG for images and MP4 for videos. Pick higher quality if you need crisp prints, or a lighter file for quick web use. Share allows you to publish directly to connected platforms or generate a link to send for review. That's it. Open, create, choose your format, add your content, customize, and export. With a few minutes of practice, Adobe Express becomes a fast, reliable way to bring your ideas to life.